students, today I Priya Rohira is going to explain you chapter 1 Python Pandas for class 12th IP. In this chapter we will discuss about introduction of pandas, data structure and its types, creating series using many ways. Now I will explain you what is pandas. Pandas is a software library for data processing which helps in data analysis. It provides many functions and methods to efficiently manage large data sets. Pandas एक लाइब्रेरी है जिसमें आपको कई सारे के मेथड्स और फंक्शंस अवेलेबल हैं आपके लार्ज डेटा सेट को बहुत अच्छी तरह से एफिशिएंटली वे में मैनेज करने के लिए, डेटा को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए, एनालिसिस करने के लिए. Now I will explain you what is the meaning of data structure. Data structure are ways of organizing and storing data so that they can be accessed and worked with efficiently. They define the relationship between the data and the operation that can be performed on the data. There are various kinds of data structure in Python, but we will study two main data structure, series and data frames. There are many ways through which we can arrange the data, we can analyze the data, we can store the data, but in this chapter we will focus on two topics. First is series and next is data frames. Now I will explain you what do you mean by series. A series is one dimensional array like objects. It contains of array of data and array of data labels called its index. That means series आपका one dimensional array होता है. Array means it is a collection of homogeneous data type. Series में भी आपका जो collection होता है that is should be homogeneous, means आप इसमें एक तरह की data type को store कर सकते हो. A series is termed as a column of a Excel sheet. एक Excel sheet का एक column की तरह हम series को represent कर सकते हैं. इसमें at a time आप सिर्फ एक ही column पे work करते हो. And here I take array of data, that means array of data, that means 21, 34, 566. And array of data labels means index. यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2 is the index of this data. Now data frames, this is another very important data structure that is supported by Python language. A data frame is a two-dimensional array which stores data in tabular form. यहाँ you can see it looks like a Excel sheet. Two-dimensional array means where your data can be arranged in form of rows and columns. It's like a 2D array. You have studied about array in class 11th. Now my next topic is ways of creating series object. How many ways through which you can create series in Python? First of all, create an empty series. How to create an empty series? Empty series means no values in it. You are not specifying any value. So to create an empty series, just a simple thing, you need to import pandas library. Here to work with pandas, we need to import pandas library. And to import it, we simply write it import pandas as pd. Here pd is a alias. Why we need to write it? Because every time we cannot write this long word pandas. So for short we need to work with pd. So here to create an empty series, simply pd dot and I'll call the method series. Take care, s should be capital. So pd dot series, and I haven't specified anything in the braces, and s. You can write print s or you can write simply s. What will be the output? Output is series. As you can see, there is nothing, no value in it, and by default data type it support float 64. So my first way, if you want to create empty series, so you haven't need to specify any values, anything inside in the function brackets. Now next is creating non-empty series. Non-empty series can be created by using following ways. One by one we will take all these things to explain you how to create series. My first way, creating a series using list without index parameter. What does it mean? In this series I have taken one example. Here I have imported pandas library and pd.series. As you know that list to create a list, we need to write the arguments in the square brackets. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, I have specified the values of the series and I am printing S. What will be my output? Just check. My output will be 1, 2, 3. If you are not specifying any index parameter, यहाँ पे आपने कोई index parameter use नहीं किया है, तो by default it will take from 0, 1, 2 and so on, and your data will be 1, then 2, then 3. Now next I will use creating a series using list with index parameter. Now here in this example I took a index parameter. As you can see that pd.series 1, 2, 3 is my array of data, and index, to specify the index of your choice, you will take this index parameter. So here I have taken the index A, B, C. Make sure that your number of values should be equivalent to your number of indexes. If it is not matching with each other, suppose here I have taken 4 values but 3 indexes, it will raise an error. And suppose if I am taking 4 indexes but 3 values, and again it will raise an error. So make sure that 1, 2, 3, 3 arguments should be here, and 1, 2, 3, 3 arguments should be here. In index you can mention anything like Jan, Feb, March, 0, 1, 2, AAB, BCC, anything else that you can use as your index argument. Now what will be the output? See the output. A, B, C. Right now you can see the index, and this is my data 1, 2, 3. Next, creating a series using arrays. How will you create a series using arrays? For example, for this you have to import pandas statement, as well as you have to import numpy library. Why so? Because we need to work with the array. Array is a function of this numpy library. So for this all you have studied in class 11. So np is a alias for this numpy library. The np.array, this time I am creating an array from the list 1, 2, 3. So my array is created with the name AR2, and pd.series, I am passing this array in as a value of this series object. So what will be the output? Your output will be 1, 2, 3. This is my data values, and here I have not taken any index. So by default it is taking 0, 1, 2. Next, creating a series using dictionary. How to create a series using dictionary? The same, you have to import the pandas library. Now you need to create a dictionary. In my previous example you have created an array. Now for the dictionary you need to make the key value pair. This A is the key, 1 is value, B is key, 2 is its value, C is the key, and 3 is its value. Now for pd.series function you need to pass on the dict1, that is dictionary. So this time you are passing a dictionary in the series object. See, check the output. See, A, B, C. Here in the case of dictionary, your all keys will become like your index, and your 1, 2, 3 all values will become the data for the series. Next, creating a series using scalar value. See the example. Scalar value means single value you are passing on index 1, 2, 3. So here you are passing 10 on index 1, 2, 3. Scalar value means single value. See the output. Your output will be your index as you have given here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and at each index you are giving 10, 10, 10. Okay, and you are using scalar value, then index argument to series function must be provided. अगर आप scalar value use कर रहे हैं तो आपको index देना compulsory है. But in other ways you don't need to specify your index variable. Here I have taken few ways through which we can create a series